Hey guys!
We're here with a quick video on how to use the elevators on the Carnival Horizon. Since they're a new system, we figured we should film a short video and give you guys kind of a how-to instruction.
Yeah, because they are the smart elevators, as they are called. Which means there's no buttons inside the elevator.
There's only like 2 or 3: a door close, a door open, and maybe a fire call. But yeah.
Yes, but there's not
no
floors. Like the little kids can't get into the elevators and press every floor button.
So, as you've seen on our vlogs here, I did show some clips of the elevator. The key thing for the elevators that we have found is, since they are smart elevators, you have to push the floor on which you're going for the number that are in your party.
Yes. This is especially important at times when the elevator banks are really busy. Like if you're getting back on the ship, just getting off of a show, because it needs to know A, how many cars to send, and B, it needs to decide how many different floors the elevator will stop at based on the number of people.
Correct. So the key thing is, if there are 4 in your party, push the floor that you're going to 4 times.
Yes.
And then it will send the appropriate amount of cars to that floor wherever you're at, so you can get there.
Yes.
And this will alleviate all the crowding problems that people have been complaining about, that we have seen either on Facebook or other online forums about the elevators being too slow and always crowded. So
and if you walk up to the bank and you see your floor on the TV, don't just say, "Oh, I'm going to hop in line for elevator Q." Hit the button. Do everybody a favor. Hit the button.
Hit the button, because otherwise
it doesn't know you're there.
It doesn't know you're there, and you don't exist in the elevator world.
Yes.
So,
and we found that, especially getting back on the ship, I would say is where I noticed it the most, is people would just hop online and wait for the ship, or wait for their elevator, that they saw on their screen. Well, then people were wondering why suddenly there's 30 people waiting outside elevator Q. So then I would just sit there and I would just hit the Lido deck button, because that's the floor that we were on, so that's where I was trying to go. I would just hit it, and hit it, and hit it, and hit it, and hit it, until another car showed up.
Right.
Because if it knows 20 people want to go to the Lido deck, it's not going to let that elevator stop at other floors, whether there's people waiting to go to those floors or people on those floors waiting for the elevator. It's not, if someone is waiting on deck 5 and you're deck 3, it's not going to stop at deck 5 if they know there's 20 people coming from deck 3 to go into the Lido deck.
Right.
So they really do work well if you just hit the button for every single person in the party.
So the key from this video that you learned: hit the button.
Hit the button.
Hit the button. What do you say?
Hit the button.
Hit the button. So that's our quick elevator tutorial. Again, the elevators are great. You just have to hit the button as many times for as many people are in your party. So if there's 4 people in your party, hit the button 4 times for the deck you're going, because then it'll send the right amount of elevator cars to that deck. Anything else?
Should we insert the video clip that we took?
Yes, we definitely will insert the video clip. You'll see what we're talking about. There's a little touch screen that would serve as the elevator button up or down. It'll tell you what floor what floor you're going to. And then you can see they have the new elevator system that they were testing on the Vista here. So what you do is you actually push the deck you want to go to. It tells you the car you want to go to, but you actually want to push for the number that are in your party, because these are smart elevators, so they will actually send another car if the demand is needed. And you can see there's no buttons. And then there's also a screen in the lobby that says what elevators are going to what decks, and that's the thing I think people, as Elizabeth was saying, would just be like, "Oh, this one's going to deck 10. Let me just go get in front of elevator Q without hitting the button." So, hit the button.
Hit the button. Alright, we'll see you guys soon.
We'll be back with more. Like and subscribe to DL Cruise Travel. Give us a like and a thumbs up. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.